Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, and yes, I am back with the classic song reactions. Claps, yes. This is a film which is called Thuvana Tumbikal. Thuvana Tumbikal, yes. And the song is called Onnam Ragam Padi. So, it's a film which stars Mohanlal, and this is subtitled. Thank you, Jitin, for subtitling the song. And let's begin. So, song is sung by G. Venugopal and K.S. Chitra. Let's go. I forgot to check how old is this film. Ooh. Has a celebratory tone. Oh, that was an interesting switch in the beat.
ഒന്നാം രാഗം പാടി ഒന്നിനെ മാത്രം തേടി വന്നുവല്ലോ ഇന്നലെ നീ വടക്കുന്നാഥന്റെ മുമ്പിൽ പാടുവതും രാഗം നീ തേടുവതും രാഗമാ ദേവനും അനുരാഗിയാമമ്പലത്താവേ
ഒന്നാം രാഗം പാടി ഒന്നിനെ മാത്രം തേടി വന്നുവല്ലോ ഇന്നലെ വടക്കുന്നാഥന്റെ മുമ്പിൽ പാടുവതും രാഗം നീ തേടുവതും രാഗമാ ദേവനും അനുരാഗിയാമമ്പലത്താവേ.
Oh, okay. I know I'm pausing. I actually forgot to check who the composer is. Very interesting instrumentals. Firstly, even when the verse is happening, na, 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 the instrument that is used in the background. This.
അനുരാഗിയാമമ്പലത്താവേ.
Oh wow! This. Oh wow! That's nice.
ഈ പ്രദക്ഷിണ വീഥികൾ ഇടറിവിണ്ട പാതകൾ എന്നും ഹൃദയ സംഗമത്തിൻ ശിവേലികൾ തൊഴുതു.
Okay, it's a procession. Thanks, Jitin, for clarifying that.
ഈ പ്രദക്ഷിണ വീഥികൾ ഇടറിവിണ്ട പാതകൾ എന്നും ഹൃദയ സംഗമത്തിൻ ശിവേലികൾ തൊഴുതു.
കണ്ണുകളാൽ അർച്ചന മൗനങ്ങളാൽ കീർത്തനം എല്ലാം അറിയും നീ ഗോപുരവാതിൽ ഒന്നാം രാഗം പാടി ഒന്നിനെ മാത്രം തേടി വന്നുവല്ലോ ഇന്നലെ നീ
Oh, I really like this melody.
മുമ്പിൽ പാടുവതും രാഗം നീ തേടുവതും രാഗമാ ദേവനും അനുരാഗിയാമമ്പലത്താവേ
He's getting teased. Cute. Ooh. This is what I miss in songs. You know, there used to be this proper, like all of us growing up millennials, that between the verses there used to be, like, between the hook and the verse, this amazing instrumental piece used to be there in all songs, because we had two paragraphs, two verses basically, in the songs, two exclusive verses most of the time. Sometimes there used to be three, but these instrumental pieces in between, and it used to be different instrumental pieces, and now it's a little rare. This.
നിൻപ് നീല രജനികൾ നിദ്രയോടുമിടയവേ ഉള്ളിലുള്ള
താളത്തിൻ ഇന്ദ്രജാലങ്ങൾ ഒന്നാം രാഗം പാടി ഒന്നിനെ മാത്രം തേടി
Oh,
വന്നുവല്ലോ ഇന്നലെ നീ വടക്കുന്നാഥന്റെ മുമ്പിൽ പാടുവതും രാഗം നീ തേടുവതും രാഗമാ ദേവനുമനുരാഗിയാമന്ദലത്താവേ
oh, I loved this ending. Wait.
താളത്തിൻ
Because it had that, okay, the instrumentals in this is absolutely like magical. It's magical because you get that Shehnai or Nadaswaram, you can say, in the beginning also, but the song ends with that also, and it kind of gives you that wedding vibe if you see with the beat. Or of a festival, of a religious festival. Yeah, of a religious festival. See? Oh, I like. This was really nice. Oh, it's directed by, this movie is directed by P. Padmarajan. The music is by, where is it? Oh, yes, it's here. Perambavoor G. Ravindranath. Why do I feel I've heard this name? I'm sorry, I'm blanking out, guys. Sometimes, because it's just too many people, too many songs, too many reactions. Sometimes I get confused. But forgive me because I'm not able to recall right now. But this song, I think instrumental-wise, one of the top-tier classic songs that I have listened to, because the way all these little things were integrated with the Nadaswaram in the beginning, then suddenly, and it started in a way that I thought that it would actually take that celebratory angle where you will have this rhythmic beat. What happens in the end actually in the song, in my head when it started, the instrumental started, I thought it'll take that direction, but then you have this sudden change in the beat, and then the mood of the song also completely changes. So I initially thought it'll be like a weddingy celebratory, or a, you know what, the kind of music that you hear in temples during religious festivals. It'll be that, just because of the Nadaswaram. So I was like, okay, this is my cue of how the song is going to be like, because generally it happens like that. But then there was a complete switch in the instrumental, and it obviously became like a complete romantic song, and beautifully shot video as well. But I think here the instrumentals is something, the switch on the instrumentals plus between the verses, the kind of music piece that was done for before both the verses, actually, it was very, very beautiful. Very, very beautiful. Like there are, like the variations are crazy in this. They're absolutely crazy, and in a good way, obviously. So I think there was just so much going on in terms of instrumentals here. On top of that, you play such a beautiful melody and with such beautiful lyrics. Now, because this is why for the older classic songs, now sometimes what happens is that for the newer songs, even if I don't have the lyrics, like the meaning of the subtitles, it's still, I'm like, okay, fine, no problem. Somehow later I will find out. But for the classic songs, I ensure that I tell Jitin, please subtitle the video, because the beauty of the lyricism, plus he subtitles it really, really well. So he captures the emotion. But just the way the lyrics used to be written for these particular songs is something else. Like, I think the closest of this kind of lyricism I got was probably on the top of my head is Tirame from the film Malik. Because for a romantic song, I really love when a lot of metaphors are used, because it's one thing to say I love you, and it's another thing to say something very poetic, the same thing in a very, very poetic manner. So a lot of these songs that I hear from this era particularly, the lyricism is absolutely, it's beautiful. Just the thought that has been put to actually express a feeling, it's unbelievable. So that's why I love reading it also. The song was extremely enjoyable, the way it starts, the way it progresses with the beautiful instrumentals, and the way it ends. I loved how it ended. The whole song was just so serene, and I just loved how it ended in a high completely. And I said, okay, time to celebrate, let's go. Yeah, because the energy completely shifts. So I loved how with the instrumental there was this shift in tonality and energy of the song also. And if you notice, it's only there in the beginning and in the end, because in the beginning also say, okay, suddenly the instrumental completely shifts. So that distinction was done superbly. The song was beautiful, very, very nice. And I know it's been really long. I think the last classic Malayalam song that I reacted to was from the film Hari Krishnans. So, and that was quite some time back. So I want to now, because I was pretty regular with it, and I don't want to lose that streak. So thank you for whoever commented. Thank you for reminding me. Because anyways, I was planning it, but it's good to get reminders sometimes. When I read the comments, it's good to see those comments, because then I get reminded and I then kind of make it a priority also. So I definitely don't want to lose the regularity of doing this. So keep the suggestions coming in. I have now a good bank of songs with me, Malayalam, Tamil, both. And if any other languages you want me to cover, please comment down below. So yeah, that was it. That was the reaction to Onam Ragam Padi, sung by these absolutely insanely amazing singers, G. Venugopal and K.S. Chitra. And yes, let me know your thoughts in the comments, and if you can give me more context of the film, of the songs. Also for the other channel, I am actually planning to start my classic film reviews back, because I remember doing that when I started the channel. I used to do that again regularly, but I've stopped, and I think I should not, because I definitely want to cover those films as well, because that also gives me a holistic sense of the entire industry, and it helps me gauge how the industry has evolved over the years basically. So yeah, I'm gonna do that as well. So that's planned from March onwards. Probably I will start with maybe 2 classic films per month, and I want to increase that to 4. We'll see how that works out, but that's what my plan is for now. So I thought I'll just plug that in as well for you guys. So the movie suggestions are also welcome, but please ensure that you let me know which OTT platform it's streaming on. So yeah, that was it. That was the reaction, and I'm gonna sign off now. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I will see you soon on my next one. Bye.